we are also learning that the centre is now filing an affidavit in the Supreme Court on Manipur violence, which says that the approach of the central government is of zero tolerance towards any crimes against women. The centre has requested the Supreme Court to transfer the trial of the incident outside of Manipur so that fast-track investigation can take place. This is another big development happening. The centre now marching towards the Supreme Court, requesting for the trial to be moved outside of Manipur. Reports are also indicating that this trial may take place in the northeastern state of Assam. For more details, our legal correspondent Ananya Bhattagar joins me on the phone line. Ananya, give us any details if they are available at the moment, and does this also make a strong point for the government to in fact make on the floor of the House as it prepares to face the opposition in a no confidence motion?
Well, definitely, Akansha, this affidavit has now been filed before the Supreme Court of India. Remember that the Supreme Court of India is already set to hear the matter tomorrow. And right before that particular hearing, an important affidavit has now come in with certain important submissions. Number one, that the central government is of zero tolerance towards any crime against women. And considering that, in fact, considers these offences like the present ones to be heinous and which deserve to be not only taken with seriousness, but it deserves that justice should be seen to be done, as it is the deterrent effect throughout the nation with respect to crime against women. And that's the reason why, in fact, the centre has said that, and remember that this affidavit has not been filed by an ordinary, official of the government. It has been filed by the Home Secretary of, in fact, the government. And Mr. Ajay Bhalla in this affidavit clearly states that this is one of the reasons why the central investigation is roped in for the investigation of this particular case. The Manipur government has recommended, in fact, for a CBI probe into this particular case. And another big demand that has been made before the topmost court of the country is that, the trial in this case should be transferred outside of the state of Manipur so that, justice can be delivered and clear-cut justice can be delivered into this particular case. Remember, ethnic violence broke down in the state of Manipur, and following which this heinous incident came into light. Apart from that, with regards to the safety, Akansha, the court has been informed that, and I quote from the affidavit, that apart from the above, to ensure prevention of such cases and maintenance of law and order in the state, the central government has, in addition to the existing companies, has been providing additional companies of CAPF, that is the Central Armed Police Forces, with effect from 3 May 2023, 124 additional companies of CAPF and 185 columns of the Indian Army and the Assam Rifles are currently deployed in Manipur to control the law and order situation.
Absolutely. So definitely major developments over there. First, the CBI has been roped in to probe the viral video case, and with that, the centre is also now filing an affidavit to get the case or the trial transferred to another state outside of Manipur.